Okay, g'day, Rudy here. Welcome to the ASX healthcare check. Alright, we'll just go through in alphabetical order. So first cab off the rank is Ansell, which is looking pretty attractive. I'd actually say that a break of this trend line here is setting up quite a bullish chart pattern. So keep that one on your radar. Cochlea. Okay, so it's okay. Now I reckon if it does pull back to around this area, there's 277. Looks like pretty good support there. So if you're in it, definitely hold it. Next one we've got the King, CSL. So he got whacked, probably a bit unfairly, but I think people are sick of getting jabs since COVID. Now you either love it or you hate it. So if you're looking to average down, so this is a major support line back to 2019. So I'd be waiting for, so that was its first test. Just wait and see where it makes the next bottom. So if it can come down back and retest 173 and start heading up, then that's probably a good signal. CSX, Clean Space. So they're in a level of support here. You just want them to do a bit more before you buy, or if you love it, buy it. CU6. Okay, so that was an old one. Anyway, he's looking fine. So he's done his next move up, getting ready for his next. So that's his next target thing. You want to see him move through there, so he looks fine. CYP. So that's an old one from here. Same thing. Sitting inside here, this candle here, so he's just having a rest in mum's arms. Doc. So this was an old one. This is a telehealth business. Anyway, that's a indecision candle, up and down, finished in the middle. So, I guess if you bought it back there, I'd have to say you'd have to buy it again then. Demerix, DXB. So that's an old buy. That's still holding, still looking fine. EMD, Myra. So they're still looking fine too. Fisher and Paykel. Okay, so they seem to be getting some pretty good support there. Actually, given, I'd have to probably, if you like that, I'd give that a buy, because there's someone's buying it around here. Helios. Actually, I'll put this one as just before in the video. So HLS, Helios. Looks like it's trying to find a bottom there. So just sell it if it drops too far below there. IMU. Okay, this is someone. He said, I reckon we're onto something here. Yeah, so it needs to do a little bit more. So IMU, Imugene, Mesoblast. It is setting up for a blast. I think if it pulled back to 230-ish and started going, it'd be a good buying, because that is setting up to be a long-term cracker. Nanosonics, that's an old buy, so that looks fine. Looks like he's getting ready maybe to have another crack. NEU, so I've had 2 cracks to that one. Anyway, he looks fine. Paradigm Pharmaceutical. That's an old one, so that's fine. He's just working out when he's going to go through here, so it looks good. Pain check. All right. if you love this one, you'd probably have to buy that. Let's lock it in then, because it seems to have some good support there. Polynovo. Okay, so I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't touch it. RCE, so Reese Pharmaceuticals. It's not a buy or a sell. Hold it. Ramsey, RHC. Yeah, not a buy or a sell really. ResMed. I like this stock. I like the chart pattern. So, especially if you love it, I'd be buying that. SHG. I put that one on when I was reviewing the charts. So that 3D medical imaging, Singular Health, that looks good. Sonic, it's needs to do a lot more. SIG, so that's a new one. Sigma Healthcare, they look pretty good. And then we've got Telix Pharmaceuticals. Okay, so they were a sell back then, so they probably just need to get back above here, find some support, and then have a go. Alright, if you've got any other healthcare stocks you reckon look good, let us know. Alright then, see ya.